Today we're going to be learning the stem stitch. To begin, you'll want to bring your needle up from the back of the fabric and move about 1.5 stitches length forward, so a little longer than a regular stitch, and leave a loop. Don't pull your thread all the way through. You're going to bring your needle up through the halfway point of your first stitch, and you're going to pull your working thread upwards to pull your loop tight. Now you're going to make one regular stitch length forward with your thread, but this time when you bring your needle up, you're going to bring it up through the same hole of where your prior stitch ended, and remember, pull your working thread upwards in the same direction as your first initial stitch. Now keep in mind, the stem stitch is a kind of a twirling stitch. It wraps around itself as it goes. It's really good for florals or any kind of object that's not necessarily a straight line. It works really well with fluid curved lines, so it's really great for outlining things or working into, like I said, florals. You just want to remember the key to this stitch is when you're stitching, you always want to pull your working thread in the same direction you began. So in this case, we pulled upward. So throughout the entirety of the stitch, we're going to be pulling our working thread from each loop upwards to create the spiral effect and make the stitches look nice and clean. So that's it for stem stitch. I hope this helped. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel for some more tips and tricks. Thank you so much.